Red block. I'm not a mind reader, but I'm feeling like you're throwing little signs in it. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong, but your smiles and stares let me know my eyes aren't impaired. She's choosing, she's choosing, she's choosing, she's choosing. Can't you tell? She's choosing, she's choosing. All I mean is that she's digging on me. This is that R.E.B. Reginal was me, fresh me death status, R.I.P. Tupac back, all eyes on me. True play for real, I do it B.I.G. Got me scoping out the scene, spotted something mean. Them hot block buddies, them chickens who went to me. So I wave and say hi, she reply or shy. Look me in my eyes and that, to my surprise, it's this pretty young thing I've seen before I'm passing. My first reaction was the pause that started macking. I said you look familiar, I know I seen you too. Yo, you know where this is headed, this is what I had to do. Throw the numbers in my phone, told her holler when she home. Proceed to shake hands, blew a kiss, now I'm gone. Diddy bop back to the car, start the ignition. Bag me a little hottie, just play the position. I'm not a mind reader, but I'm feeling like you're throwing little signs in it. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong, but your smiles and stares let me know my eyes aren't impaired. She's choosing, she's choosing, she's choosing, she's choosing. Can't you tell? She's choosing, she's choosing. All I need is that she's digging on me. How you doing, sweetie? Hello. It's really nice to see ya. I love your outfit, your shoes, hair, the whole demeanor. Let's get a margarita, chill like we in Argentina. This in my jacket, now I appear like a Corsapina. We hit a nice, quiet, intimate spot. I learned your goals, dreams, and a few other interesting plots. Got me picking you up from your employer, cause I adore you. And if I ever get knocked, you know to call a lawyer. A few your drinks had the move set. Under the table, toes touching my feet, ain't below a fuse yet. Now I mean when your body here, she left a tip, rubbing my face, now I'm ready to dip. Flag is a taxi, strap trying to give her a lift. Go lay up in the crib, about to give it a stiff. Pillow talk over dower, I got rid of the pick. She caught a contact from the white paper farms to split. It's like that now, I'm not a mind reader, but I'm feeling like you're throwing little signs in it. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong, but your smiles and stares let me know my eyes aren't impaired. She's choosing, she's choosing, she's choosing, she's choosing. Can't you tell? She's choosing, she's choosing. All I need is that she's digging on me.
Put your hands up, put your hands up. Let me hear you say D-Block, D-Block, say D-Block, 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 D-Block. Yeah, go in. Locked up, they won't let me out. And I had a long day, course just stressed me out. Won't give me a bill, they can't get me out. Now I'm headed to the county, gotta do a bid here. Used to live in luxuries, I don't wanna live here. The walls is gray, the clothes is orange. The phone is broke, the food is garbage. A lot of niggas living with these circumstances. SP's the same, I still work your manses. Drug money, the rap money, work your fancies. Niggas ran the door, that shit have murked the Kansas. Not for a murder attempt. Knocked me on D-Block when I was burning the head. Had a brick in the stand, so they'll take it to a further extent. Locked up and they won't let me out. When I hit my cell block, niggas know the threat. Keep going. Now that I'm locked up, a rep 2 sets. So I'ma ride or die and stay deep locked up. 2 toothbrushes up. Whoever wanted will be. When I walk by, nigga get up. I'm locked up, they won't let me out. Smoke a stick of haze when they stress me out. Go and hit the bar when wreck me out. Can't wait for the day till they let me out.